Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to observe the microorganisms present in pond water. They are our school children. They collected water samples from different ponds.
What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
He is Vijay. He is going to keep some drops of pond water on a clean glass slide. He put the slide under microscope to observe the microorganisms present in pond water.
Be sure to keep the ground in sight.
We will observe different types of microorganisms in pond water like algae
Keep the sky
and fungi.
fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.